Welcome to Social Emotional Learning, Essential to Student Success, Section 9, Closing. Next, we will wrap up this section and reflect on what we have learned. This will allow you to bring closure to this section before moving to the next. Please locate page 190, Section 9, Closing. We are going to focus on the first subheading, Section 9, Essential Concepts and Skills. Reflect on your answer to the guiding question for Section 9. As we discussed throughout this section, social sensing broadens our perspective of our place in the world. As students learn to find a balance between the needs of the self and contribute to the greater good, they develop passion, purpose, and character strengths that will serve them throughout their lives. Throughout this section, we have explored the strategies that support social sensing and the greater good. Next, you will have an opportunity to record the ideas you intend to implement right away so that you have them in one handy location upon your return to the classroom. Remove one of the SEL Connections cards from your course folder. On page 190 under Section 9 SEL Connections, review the concepts, quotes, activities, and strategies you experienced in Section 9. Review the page indicated if you need to refresh your memory. Record the relevant practices you intend to use in the classroom on your SEL Connections card. Record the page number as well so you can locate each one more easily when you decide to use it. Next, you will take a moment to internalize what you have learned in this section and determine what is meaningful to you as an educator. Research shows that one way to help students make connections to content is to have them reflect on the relevance and application of the experience. Please open Assessment 3 and respond to the prompts given for the Section 9 Mindful Reflection. As you respond, make correlations between the concepts and strategies learned in your classroom or teacher practice. Please note, for Assessment 3, you will select 5 of these mindful reflections to submit for a grade. As we complete them each section, please determine which ones you would like your instructor to grade. Research shows that taking time to stop and reflect on what was learned signals the brain that the information is important and needs to be stored in long-term memory. Likewise, the same theory applies to the students in your classroom. If you want students to remember what they have learned, they need an opportunity to reflect, internalize, and find relevance in the information. These closing activities are going to appear at the end of each section and provide an opportunity to bring closure to each section. This concludes Section 9, Closing. Please continue to Module Section 9, Social Sensing, Course Portfolio.